In this video, I'm going to show you how to reorder, hide, or rediscover extension installation tabs on your Joomla site. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 191 here on the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. Today's video is brought to you by mysites.guru. Head on over to mysites.guru, get a free site audit for your Joomla site, and while you're there, check out all the information and tools that will save you time and money managing one or multiple Joomla sites. And if you decide to subscribe, use the coupon code BASICJoomla and you'll get your first month free. All right, so let's turn our attention over to the screen right now. Let's move this little recording thing out of the way as well. So you're used to going into install extensions, and probably the first one, the default one that you have that shows up is install from web. And if you upload a lot of extensions like I do after downloading them from sites, if you want upload package file to be the default one and to show first, what you need to do is this. Go to extensions and plugins. And then you're going to filter in the search tools under type for installer. And then you will see a list of the installers on your website. Now, as we look in a different tab here, you'll see here they are: install from web, upload package file, install from folder, install from URL. Now, I have a fifth one here, which is the installer for Keep a Backup Professional, which I have installed on this site. It doesn't show up in that place, so we don't really need to worry about whatever order that's in. Now, over here on the side, you'll see these three dots are faded out. So that means this list is not being shown in an order of, not being sorted according to a hierarchy. So if we click this sort up here to sort the column, we will then see the order of the plugins from first to last. Now, we've seen in other tutorials, when this little arrow here is pointing up, the top of the list is at the top. That's how we remember it. If you click on that and it's pointing down, the top of the list is at the bottom. So the order is bottom, last to first. So check this out. We have install from web. If we want install from upload to appear first and to be the default, all we have to do is grab those bars and move it up like we did. Now we can go here and go Control Shift and R, and you will see now upload package file is there. Now, install from web is still coming up as a default because that's the last one we were looking at. And you may actually have to close your browser and not uninstall. Don't do that. You need to log out of your site and then back in, and it will forget what the default one is when you go in at first. But as you can see, now we have upload package file, which will always be there handy dandy first for you now with that order. Now let's suppose that you're not really big into install from web or install from folder or install from URL. All you wanted was upload package file. All you have to do is go back and select the plugins that you don't want to see. Now remember, just leave a Keep a Backup Professional as it is. It has nothing to do with this. We'll go up here and we will go disable. Now when we go back here and refresh, we only have one tab, although we do have this reminder to add the install from web tab, which is just part of Joomla. And if you do that, it's going to publish it and it will show up. Well, apparently it's not going to. I did not try that. All right, well, something to figure out after this video. Anyways, there's the tab that you have. You probably just to work around that and have that in there, add install from web tab. That will show up, it disappears, and you can always use this for shopping for extensions. Now, to answer a question on the channel from Cyrus69000, he or she asked this comment: can you help me? When I log into Joomla backend, I only see upload from the web option. So all they see is this. Cyrus69000, I would recommend you go and look at the installer plugins and make sure the other ones are published. That could very well be the fix that you're looking for and you're asking about in the forum. If it's not, give me an email, send me an email, tim@cybersolid.com, and we'll try to sort out what is happening on your site. So there you have it, the extensions install tabs in Joomla. You can change the order, you can hide some, you can bring them back, and it will just make things flow a little bit better the way that you're used to working on your Joomla site, or the way that you want to. That's the tip or tips for today. I hope this was helpful. Please subscribe. Subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, give the video a like, and check out some of these videos that are appearing on the screen now that YouTube thinks you should watch next. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.